Inside the factory. This is how things are made. Every bar of soap begins here, where raw earth becomes something you hold in your hand every single day. Caustic soda, one of the most powerful substances on earth, measured to the gram. Two liquids, pumped into one vessel, about to become something entirely new. Heat, pressure, agitation, the moment oil stops being oil and becomes soap. Temperature, pressure, timing, every variable controlled, every second watched. Hours of reaction, and now, nature takes over. The mixture begins to separate itself. Glycerin, a valuable byproduct, drained off and destined for cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and beyond. Pure, clean, a blank canvas, waiting to become something people will use every day. Fragrance, color, identity, the moment a product becomes a brand. Forced through precision dyes, shapeless mixture becoming form, one continuous pour. The cooling tunnel, heat leaves, structure sets, the soap hardens into permanence. Thousands of bars, cut in seconds, precision at industrial speed.
The stamp comes down. A name is born on every single bar.
Wrapped, sealed, ready for the world. Every bar, built from the ground up. From raw oil to a bar in your hand, chemistry, craft, and care in 90 seconds. Subscribe for more factory processes.